Hi friends, welcome back to Dating My Budget. My name is Nita and I'm on a journey to becoming a financial warrior. I'm giving myself financial options with the help of zero-based budgeting, the cash envelope system, and savings challenges. And today we're about to get into our Wait a Minute Wednesdays. I've been looking forward to doing this video since the last one. I'm like, can we complete another one? Or let's see, let's help them get closer to being finished. What we have today is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, and 25. So $25 that we're working with. I can keep these in order or rearrange them. So I'm thinking about rearranging them. This time we'll just put challenges 1 through 3 on the bottom and 4 through 5 on the top. I'm sorry, 4 through 6 on the top. And then that way, they're not always in a perfect order. I think I'll take these out so you guys can see the challenges I have a lot easier. So this is the only one with rollover from previous stuffings. We got challenges 1 through 6. We got a 6-sided die, tells us which challenge to stuff, and the 8-sided die to tell us how much to give the challenge. And we have this, my bright dice tower, which I'm like, how can I paint this? Like, what can I do? It bothers me that much. Let's get it going. Okay, challenge 6 gets 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. How's it going out there where you are? Great. Okay, gotta roll this one again if it dropped on the floor. Okay, so challenge 2 is gonna get 8. 5, 6, 7, and 8. It's been raining and it's cold. It's ruined for the past 2 weeks. My run days, whether I'm just going to the park or in the neighborhood, have not been able to happen. And I'm like, I would like to get my cardio in. But yeah, it's just not. So challenge 2 is going to get 4. Okay, challenge 2. Like sometimes just leaving the gym and I'm sweaty as I walk just from the gym to the car, like the cold is like stabbing pain on my sweat, on my face, whatever is exposed that's wet. It's like, oh my God. So can you imagine going out running? So when it's past a certain cold, yeah, it no longer feels good. It's just a bad combination. Okay, challenge 6, get 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that leaves us with $3. We're gonna remove our 8-sided die and just roll and see who get these last $3. I mean, I'm sorry for everybody else. I guess 2 and 6 was, competing today. They the only one who showed up. Oh, challenge 3 get $3. Okay. So we'll put these back and we'll try again next week. Our clear winner was in position 2, but challenge 5. And oh no, that might not be true. Let me just get rid of these since they was the 2 competitors, and this one just slid in. They got the last 3. Let's take care of this first. So $3 going in here to this boba tea drink. What color am I gonna make those? Okay, that is done. We have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, so our winner here is a bubblegum machine from Money Tamer. And we need to do 10 in this challenge. So I think what I'm gonna do is go ahead and put the cash away. A couple mornings ago, I took the puppy out for the morning walk, the first walk of the day. And I mean, we got outside, could barely get to the back of the house. It just started raining out of nowhere, like, and hard. So she was able to get a couple steps in, and we had to run back in the house. So that was 5, 9. I should have just did another 3, but that's okay. And 1. Alrighty. So this will be done soon. I'm liking that. I'm really loving the challenges that gives a range of denominations. It just helps with not having any leftover. Put those there. And our winner here, $12. Let's put the cash away. Now this is what I'm looking forward to getting completed. It's gonna go towards the kids binder. And I'm just looking forward to giving that binder a boost. And what a way to do it with a mini challenge. All right, and that does it for our Wait a Minute Wednesday. And wherever you are, whatever you have going, no matter how 2025 has started, because all over the world it's been something. Jeez, we can't even get 30 days in. Just keep looking towards your goals, even though it's hard or just looking one way. Find the peace, that inner peace, to just keep you going. You need it. The people around you need it. If 1 out of 5 have a piece of joy or motivation to share, maybe that's enough. So why not let that be you? That's all I have, and I'll chat with you guys in the next one. Bye, you guys.